Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't noticed, I just recently posted a trailer for my channel. Take a look at that. And for you new subscribers or new viewers, take a look at that. And if you like what you see, consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. So today, I'm just kind of putzing around here. A friend of mine at work found this at work. He found a goat skull, so he asked me to clean it up and bleach it. There's no flesh on it whatsoever anymore, and all that's there is weathering and dirt. The dirt was pretty much, or the skull was probably laying like this into the dirt, and so I got the water boiling. You can probably hear the burner going, and I'm gonna attempt to doctor this up for him. It's a little brittle. The nose piece is a little brittle here, so I got to be careful with that. I have some glue that I can glue that back together, and the shield for the horn, the outside of the horn, was the only one there, so I got that in the back of my truck. So stay tuned. I'm gonna soak this in the water and crossing my fingers that it turns out. So stick around, stay tuned. Alright, the water is boiling. I'm going to turn the flame down. I don't think I have to do this very long, so I'm just going to bring it to a simmer and submerge it. Alright, welcome back. This is day number 2 of this goat skull. And what I did yesterday is I boiled it or simmered it like twice. The first time I did it, there must have been dirt of all kinds inside the skull. Just not a lot, I don't think, but enough to make the water real dirty. So I emptied that, put that in some new water, and added a little bit of OxyClean, and that seemed to help this area right here with some of the dirt. So today I am going to put some new water in. I got the propane burner going, the turkey burner going now already, and I have 2 bottles of peroxide that I'm going to dump in there and see what happens with this goat skull. Yeah. Stick around. Well, while that's going to be cooking, I'm going to mess around with my blow dart that I bought over a year ago. So I'm going to play around with this and see what happens. Know what sucks? No one's going to believe me. I'm practicing with my blowgun, and that right there just happened. I Robin Hood a dart. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Well, you're not going to believe it. I just Robin Hood another one. Wasn't recording once again. Just trying to kill some time while that goat head starts cleaning up a little bit better. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but right inside there, you can't see it. There's a dart that went inside the cap. You have no reason to believe me that I did 2 of them because I wasn't recording. Now I probably won't get another one. Not that I want to, but now I'm going to be trying to do a Robin Hood, and I ain't going to get it. Ah! I did it! Sorry for the yelling, but you saw that, right? I'm recording, right? Before I pull it out, I'm going to pull these out. I think I better stop. I got this insulation up here for a reason. I don't need to be poking holes in it anymore. I'm going to have to get new caps. Alright, here it is. Right here. I'm going to leave this one too. I think this one's shot anyways. No pun intended. Shot? Alright. I had this in the water for about, I don't know, good 45 minutes at not a full simmer, but it took a while for it to come up to a simmer. But it looks a little bit better than what it did. You really can't compete against Mother Nature. You know, who knows how long this skull has been sitting out in the dirt, out in the elements. It feels kind of coarse, you know, so it's starting to break down. I think for the most part, it lightened up a little bit, but as you can see, there's some moss or some like algae or whatever, the coloring from that, and some of the staining from being in the dirt. That doesn't help either. It's got that real gray look to it. I'm not going to bleach it because all that's going to do is really break down the bone. So I'm just going to leave it. I'll probably take it into the house, let it dry, and then I'll put some mop and glow on it just to give it a nice sheen. That's not my idea. Another channel, it's called White Bone Creations. That's his idea, and it really puts a good sheen on skull mounts. So European mounts makes them pop a little bit more. So yeah, I just wanted to do this little video and of me doing another skull, and I hope you enjoyed that little time killer with me using my blowgun. And can't believe I did the Robin Hood with a blowgun. Did it once with 2 arrows when I used to bow hunt, but I'm gonna put as it coming to the end of the video, I'm gonna put a end card here or here with skull cleaning. So I got a few of them. This is the weirdest one, I guess. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't, if you did like the video, consider subscribing. leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. That really pushes my channel. So yeah, I'm gonna take this in, let her dry, and give it back. So enjoy the little things.